In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add device in Amazon Prime Video. We'll walk through the process together so you can quickly link a new phone, tablet, or smart TV to your Prime Video account. Start by opening your web browser and going to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, look for the Sign In button, usually at the top right. Click it to open the sign in page, enter your email address, click Continue, then type your password carefully and select Sign In. This takes you to your Amazon account homepage where you can manage most of your settings. From here, find the All menu. Depending on your screen, it may appear as a button near the top of the page. Click it to open a menu with several categories. Look for digital content and devices, then select it. This is the area where you control things like your Kindle content, apps, and importantly, the devices connected to your Amazon services. Within that section, locate Prime Video and click it to open your Prime Video settings. In the top area, you'll see your profile icon. Click the icon, then choose Account and Settings from the menu. For security, you may be asked to confirm your password again. Go ahead and verify. This helps protect your account before you make changes. Once you're in the Prime Video settings page, look for the Devices option. This section shows all devices currently registered to your account. To add a new one, click Register a New Device. You'll be guided through the process on screen. At this point, you'll typically be asked to enter a code shown on the device you're adding. This code is used to authenticate and authorize the device so it can securely access your Prime Video library. Keep the browser page open while you enter the code and make sure the device you're adding is connected to the internet. If you don't see the code right away on your device, give it a moment to load. Codes can occasionally take a few seconds to appear. Once the code is accepted, your device will be linked to your account and you'll be ready to stream. A quick tip: double check you're signed in to the correct Amazon account, especially if you share devices at home. Also remember that while you can register multiple devices, simultaneous streaming limits may apply, so plan accordingly. And that's it. You've learned how to add a device to Amazon Prime Video step by step. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Amazon tips and tutorials. Happy streaming!